Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So let's have one more example. Suppose the vehicle is moving with velocity u and it stops after the distance of s when brakes are applied. So it stops after the distances and time t. Now the question is if the same vehicle moving with a speed n times of initial case and same brakes applied and it stops after the distance of s dash is how much and after the time how much. Hope its description is clear, right? The vehicle is moving with a speed u, brakes are applied, it stops after the distances and time taken t. If the same vehicle is moving with a speed n times its speed initially and same brakes are applied and it stops after the distance s dash and time taken is t dash. Now what is s dash and t dash? They are asking. Now one thing we need to observe here, when brakes are applied, so it is nothing but the retarding force. So retarding force is same for both the cases. Retarding force is same for both the cases means acceleration is same for both the cases. That is what the logic here. Now in this case, what is the formula we can use? It stops, final velocity 0, initial velocity. First let us focus on displacement. So final velocity, initial velocity, displacement and acceleration. So these four parameters, what is the formula we can use? Use v square is equivalent to u square plus 2as. Final velocity 0 is equivalent to u square minus 2as. Why? Because retarding force, so decelerating, so negative acceleration. So then u square is equivalent to 2as, and anyway acceleration is same for both the cases now. Therefore we can take it as s is proportional to u square. So with this case what we do, s1 by s2 is equivalent to u1 square by u2 square, isn't it? So s1 by s2 is equivalent to u1 square by u2 square. Now we need to find out s2. s2 is nothing but s dash, displacement in the second case. So how do you take cross multiplication? u2 by u1 whole square into s1. s2 coming over here and u2 is coming to the numerator and cross multiplication. So s dash, s2 is nothing but s dash, u2 is nothing but n times of u, u1 is nothing but u whole square into s. So then we can write s dash is equivalent to n square s. N square s. Hope it's clear. Now in the second case, what is the time? So connection with the time is nothing but initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and time. So what is the formula we should use? Use v is equivalent to u plus at. So 0 is equivalent to u minus at. So u is equivalent to at. So acceleration is same for both the cases. Therefore u is directly proportional to t. So how do you write t1 by t2 is equivalent to u1 by u2? So t2 we want to write. So t2 is nothing but cross multiplication u2 by u1 into t1. So now t2 is nothing but u2 is nothing but nu. Second case initial velocity is nu upon u into t. So t dash is nothing but n into t. N into t. Is it clear? Yeah. Let's take with a number. Example with a number. Here is a vehicle moving with a speed 10 meters per second, okay, or else u itself, and brakes are applied. So once brakes are applied, it stops, yeah, after traveling the distance of some distance s, and this distance is given as like 4 meters. Now if the same vehicle is moving with 2 times, that is 2 times or 3 times 30 meters per second, and same brakes are applied, so same brakes are applied and it stops. After how much distance it stops? Same acceleration. So how much is the distance? Distance is nothing but s dash is nothing but n square s. What is meant by n here? Look at here. If its velocity is equivalent to u, you can call, and its velocity 30 na, and this is going to become 3u, isn't it? So u and 3u. Come back here, u and nu. So in place of n, what is there? 3 is there. Therefore 3 square into, what is the distance is stopped after? So 4. So 3 square, 9 into 4, it is nothing but 36 meters. At the same time, if the time is also given and you can calculate, it is nothing but n times of t. If in this case time is given as 3 seconds, then what is the time after which it stops is nothing but 3 into 3, 9 seconds. Okay, yeah.